2011 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited. Bright silver metallic paint. Aluminum alloy wheels with Goodyear tires. Tinted windows. Roof rack crossbar. Plenty of room with storage compartments. It's got upgraded headrests. There's the backups, and then it's got wireless headsets with remotes. Nice black leather interior. Wood grain trim throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Premium sound with Infinity sound system. Power driver's seat adjustments. Plenty of audio inputs. Heated front seats. Automatic climate control. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Hands-free Bluetooth. Backup camera. Steering wheel controls. Auto headlights. Just over 127,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. If y'all come by and see us, save your cars.